Before being able to generate attendee badges, some configuration is required. Begin the setup process by adjusting the event attendee badges. This can be done by navigating to the Badge Designer module from the left panel. This event already has 2 badge templates configured. New events will have to create a new badge template. For this example, a minor modification will be made to an existing badge. The logo will be moved to a new position as a visual indicator for later operations. These changes can then be saved by pressing the Save button. Badges must be associated to an attendee type before generating badges. Navigate to the Attendee Types module from the left panel. This event has already had 2 attendee types configured. For this example, we will use the demo attendee type. Open the settings for the attendee by selecting the row and switching to the Badges/Content tab. Press the Select button to associate the badge template to the attendee type. Lastly, press the Save button. At this point, the system is configured and ready to begin generating badges. To start, navigate to the Registrants module from the left panel. This event has already had 4 registrants imported. Importing registrants will be covered later in this video. To bulk generate badges, select multiple registrants from the table. Then under the Actions button, choose the Generate Print File option. A prompt will appear to enter the badge stock settings. These options will be recalled for each print job if you mark the Save Settings checkbox before generating. Press the Generate button to submit the job. The page will automatically direct to the Tasks/Downloads tab where a new background task has been added. After a short period of time, the download link for the generated badges will be made available. Clicking the link will download the PDF version of the generated badges. Optionally, a singular badge can be generated which will skip the background task and immediately make the PDF badge download available. For demo purposes, the example registrants currently in the system will be deleted. Importing registrants from a flat file, such as Excel or CSV formats, can be achieved by switching to the Add Registrants tab at the top. Press the Begin button for the Upload File option. Choose the desired flat file to import. The data must be present in the first sheet and have a header row. Verify the data looks correct before continuing. Press the Continue button. Choose to not assign the attendee type automatically. Then choose the desired attendee type from the drop-down. Uploading multiple attendee types will need to be done as separate file imports. If applicable, it's important to map the System Event Field, Third-Party ID, field to the Unique ID field from your database. If your imported file doesn't have a unique ID, it can be ignored. In this case, the ID column from our Excel sheet will be mapped to the Third-Party ID System Event field. Press the Finish button. Refresh the page to see results. It may take a few seconds before all registrants are added to the system by the background task. Lastly, an optional attendee-facing kiosk web page can be made available. The kiosk limits access to the registrant database by searching for a registrant by a name or another event field. To set up a kiosk, navigate to the Kiosk Setup module from the left panel. This event has already had 3 kiosks configured. For this example, we will launch the demo kiosk page. From this kiosk, a registrant can look themselves up and print their badge on their own accord. The kiosk live link can be accessed by multiple machines for a horizontally scaling check-in solution. Varying by kiosk configuration, certain features can be enabled that provide a help desk experience that doesn't require access to the management interface.